They decided to create a dream come true. So on this spring moon, dust in your hair and golden starlight in your eyes so blue. Now that is why all the girls in town follow you all around, just like me. They belong to me, close to you. Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning and welcome along to Twin Town Services Club. Well, our honor and privilege is to have standing beside me. This is Benson, this is Willie, this is Nick. These guys are called Soul Cuts.
Thank you very much.
Just like me, all belong to me, close to you. On the day that you were born, the devils got together. They decided